Hello guys and welcome to Code Shortcut. So guys, in this video we are going to discuss how can we integrate Laravel UI and Bootstrap 5 authentication in Laravel 12. So without wasting any further time, let's start. Let's move to step number 1, which says that we need to create a fresh Laravel project. Note, if you don't have Laravel globally installed, I recommend that you install it first. Assuming Composer is already installed, you can simply use this command to install Laravel globally. Once done, you can simply use this command to create a fresh Laravel project. So let's copy this command. Let's move to git bash. I have already accessed the htdocs folder. I have Laravel globally installed, so I can simply paste this command, hit enter. It is going to prompt you about the starter kit. We will select none in this case, hit enter. For the database selection, we will select MySQL. We don't want to create the database as of now, so we will type no. We don't want to run either of this command, so we will type no once again, hit enter, and our fresh project is ready. Let's move to step number 2, which says that we need to access the project. So let's do that. cd bootstrap 5, hit enter, and I have already done it on the Sublime side right here. Okay, let's move to step number 3, install the Laravel UI package. So let's copy this command. Let's move to git bash, paste it, hit enter. Okay guys, so our package is successfully installed. Let's move to step number 4, generate front-end scaffolding. So in this case, since we are using Bootstrap 5, so this command will create Bootstrap 5 related scaffolding for us. Okay, so let's run this command, hit enter. It is going to prompt you for the controller. If you want to replace it, we need to type yes. So yes, hit enter, and it's done. Let's move forward. Step number 5, install node dependencies and compile assets. So first, let's run npm install command. So let's copy this and let's move to git bash right here. Paste, hit enter. Okay guys, so it's done. Now we need to run the second command, npm run dev. So let's do that, which will run the Vite server for us. And you can see our Vite server is ready. Now in order to run further commands, we need to open another instance of git bash. So let's do it, git bash, and let me zoom in a bit right here. Let's try to access the project. So cdc xampp htdocs and project name is Bootstrap 5. Hit enter and it's done. Now let's move to step number 6, run the database migration. So let's do that. Paste, hit enter. It is going to prompt you because the database doesn't exist, you want to create it. So we will type yes and it's done. Now let's move to step number 7. It's time to see it in action. So let's run our server php artisan serve, and now let's try to access it on the browser. And right here you can see the home page is actually broken. Okay, if you see, we have our login and register link, and it will work, but the home page is broken. So let's try to fix it. How? It's mentioned right here. So to fix the welcome page or home page, we need to access the welcome.blade.php and remove the if, else and if condition, and it should be like this. We need to keep the style tags intact. So it should be like this, and we have to make it like this. Okay, so we need to remove the and if, else and if. Okay, so let's do that. So let's access the welcome blade, and here is our style tag. We need to remove this else and if. Okay, and now we need to look for the closing style tag. Let's move down. So here is our closing style tag, and we need to remove this and if. Done. Save it. Now let's optimize clear so that we don't have anything in cache. So php artisan optimize clear, hit enter, and it's done. Now we can run our server php artisan serve. Let's try to access our project now, and right here you can see it's fixed. Now let's try the registration process. Now let's try to register a user. I will put some details right here. Let's try register, and we are redirected to our dashboard. Now let's try to log out. Now let's try login. I will put the same details right here. Let's try to log in, and it's working perfectly fine because we are redirected to our dashboard with the same credential. So yeah guys, that's about it from this specific video. I hope you guys liked this video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you, take care, and yes guys, be ready for the next one. Okay, take care.